In a colorful house behind the fridge lived three very naughty mice. They had a secret group proudly called the Cheese Thief Club. Their leader, Momo, who thought he was very smart, whispered, "Team, get ready. Tonight is a mega cheese mission." Bunty, the chubbiest mouse, went crazy whenever he saw cheese and laughed, "Even if the mission fails, just give me the cheese." Just then, little Chicky said, "I will stay completely quiet." But suddenly, his toy horn blew. Bonk! 3 cats were guarding the house, but they were more cartoon than scary. Tombo the cat was sleeping on the table, snoring loudly and mumbling in her dream, "Cheeseburger!" Go-Go the cat thought she was a hero and shouted, "Today the mice will not escape." Well, Lulu, the stylish cat, stood in front of the mirror and said, "Does my tail look HD?"
Here we go.
At that moment, Bunty dropped the big cheese on the floor. Bam! Go-Go ran angrily but slipped on a banana peel and fell straight into a bucket. Chicky screamed in fear, "Help!" and blew the horn again. Tombo opened one eye and said, "Turn off the alarm,"
Just 5
and
more
went back to
minutes,
sleep.
please.
Lulu chased the mice, but suddenly stopped and said, "Wait, my hairstyle is getting ruined." In the end, the 3 mice reached behind the fridge, laughing and eating cheese. Momo smiled proudly and said, "See, smart thinking wins." And the lesson was clear that team